perform the offset back. We're going to pull forward straight ahead of those yellow cones ahead of us. And we're going to stop, put it in reverse, and back over to the lane next to us. This is one of the CDL required license maneuvers. So here we go. Step on the clutch, turn the switch on, let the gauges cycle. Normally we don't shut the truck off between maneuvers, but I'm filming, so this is the way we're going to do it. Put the transmission in gear, release the parking brakes, and here we go. Happen to be some imperfections in the lines here. You can see it down here on the ground, the cracks. To make life a little easier for a truck driver, but all you got to do is follow the crack to get to where you're going. That way you know you're staying straight. And we're coming up and just about to lose sight of those cones. And we stop just a little out before the boundary line. The yellow lines and the yellow cones represent our forward boundary. Looking in the mirror, you can see where we just came from, the same straight back we did in the other video. Looking in that mirror, you can see where we're going to. Now our first part of this maneuver is we're going to back up. So I'm going to put the transmission in reverse. Now, since I'm moving to the right, I'm going to make one full turn. So my steering wheel looks straight again. To my left. That's right, I'm making a turn the opposite way. Now, we're going to go back to the right mirror. And we're going to back up. And I've cheated a little bit. I've adjusted the mirror down so I can see what's going on in it. And as you're watching, you can see the landing gear. The piece of tape on the landing gear represents where the center of the landing gear is. That tells me I'm at a 45-degree angle. Now I'm going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Because right now I have a lot of bend between my truck and trailer, and it's all to the right side. I need to bring a truck and trailer around to where they're straight. This is where I'm going to come back to my other mirror. My other mirror is going to let me see that straight just like we did in the other video. There's perfectly straight. Now, my steering wheel's not straight though. I'm all the way at the hard cut. So I'm going to turn it to straight. Go 1 and 2. A little extra just to take some flex out of the wheel. Now my steering wheel's back to straight. Now I'm going to straight back until my trailer tires center up on that crack behind us where the pavement changes color. And stop. Now, my trailer tires are centered up. I've got the first cone in this mirror. If I look on that side, I can see the first cone in that mirror. If I keep backing up like I am, obviously, the line I would run over is the one on the right side. So that's the way I need to turn, just as hard as I can go. Now we're going to back up and we're going to judge this thing so we can go back and follow the lines. Now, as you can see, I've gone past that center mark on that tape. Not a problem. Have to. Because what I'm trying to do is get in between the next set of lines. Now, I'm all the way lined up where my trailer is going to go in. I've just got to straighten my truck back up to follow it. So I'm going to turn all the way, hard left, as far as it'll go. Now we'll go back to our mirror. As we straighten up, I'm stopping. Now I'm gonna straighten my wheel again. 1 turn, 2 turns. Now looking in the mirror, I'm just a little off center. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of 9 o'clock on this steering wheel. Let that trailer disappear for a moment. Bring my truck pretty much in line where the trailer was. Now I'm gonna go to 3 o'clock. Make my truck miss it. And my truck and trailer have gotten all the way inside the cones. And if we look on the other side, I'm not perfectly straight, but I don't have to be. All I have to be is in the boundaries of the lines for this maneuver to be complete. At this point, if I were testing, I'd pull my parking brake and toot my horn to let everybody know I'm done.